Molecular basis of inheritance. Basic knowledge to know difference between DNA and RNA. इस चैप्टर में हम बेसिक नॉलेज की बात करेंगे और डिफरेंस डीएनए और आरएनए में देखेंगे. Frederick Messer discovered nucleic acid in nucleus of pus cell and called it nuclein. फेडरिक मेसर ऐसे पहले साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने न्यूक्लिक एसिड को न्यूक्लियस ऑफ पस सेल में खोजा था इन्होंने, और इसका तब नाम दिया था न्यूक्लिन. बाद में एल्टमैन ने न्यूक्लिक एसिड टर्म्स डिफाइन किया, और न्यूक्लिक एसिड आर द पॉलीमर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. न्यूक्लिक एसिड आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, RNA and DNA. Nucleic acid contain nitrogen base, pentose sugar, phosphate group. Nitrogen base are of two types, purine and pyrimidine. Purine are of two types, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine are of three types, cytosine, thymine and uracil. Now we talk about their structure. So first off we talk about adenine and guanine structure and what is the difference in between them. So this is the adenine and guanine structure. In purine there is two ring form, one ring of pyrimidine and second ring of imidazole. So pyrimidine consists 2 nitrogen plus 4 carbon, and imidazole contains 2 nitrogen plus 3 carbon. Okay, now what is the difference? In adenine, on the 6th position, amino group is present, and in guanine on 6th position oxygen is present, and in adenine first nitrogen and 6th carbon there is a double bond present, first nitrogen and 6th carbon. In guanine this is absent. In guanine on 2nd position carbon amino group attached, but in adenine this is absent. This is the difference between adenine and guanine. Now structure of cytosine, thymine and uracil. In cytosine on the 4th carbon amino group present, while in uracil on the 4th position oxygen present, and on 5th position in thymine methyl group present, while in uracil it is absent. Now next slide, pentose sugar. Pentose sugar are of two types, ribose and deoxyribose. Ribose or deoxyribose difference is that on the 2nd carbon there is a 1 hydrogen and 1 alcohol group present in ribose sugar, while in deoxyribose sugar on the 2nd carbon 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen only present. Phosphate group H3PO4 attached. Difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. Nucleic acid are the polymer of nucleotide. Nucleoside contain nitrogen base plus pentose sugar. Nucleotide contain nucleoside plus phosphate. So nucleoside adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine or uracil, and pentose sugar, deoxyribose or ribose sugar. These things are called nucleic acid if these two were done. Okay. एंड न्यूक्लियोसाइड प्लस फॉस्फेट, जब आप डीएनए का स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं, आरएनए का स्ट्रक्चर देखते हो, तो दिस इज द एडेनिन नाइट्रोजन बेस, और ये पेंटोस शुगर से ऐड हुआ है, बॉन्ड बना है, तो इतने को हम कहेंगे साइड। और जब इसके साथ फॉस्फेट ग्रुप जुड़ जाएगा, ये शुगर है, ठीक है, फॉस्फेट ग्रुप जुड़ जाएगा, तो फिर हम इसे टाइट कहेंगे पूरे को। इसको सबसे बढ़िया याद करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका ये है कि साइट एस और टाइट का टी। अल्फ़ाबेट्स अगर हम पढ़ें तो एस पहले आता है, उसके बाद टी आता है। एस में दो चीज़ें हैं, नाइट्रोजन बेस एंड पेंटोस शुगर, और उसके बाद टी आता है तो +1 कर देंगे, तो यहाँ पे 3 चीज़ें हो जाएंगी, नाइट्रोजन बेस प्लस पेंटोस शुगर एंड प्लस फॉस्फेट। आगे हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। डीएनए contain adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. It is the identification of DNA. Thymine is the identification of DNA. And second identification, deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar is the main identification, and thymine also main identification. And this phosphate group present. In between adenine and thymine, double hydrogen bond form, and in between guanine and cytosine, triple hydrogen bond form. RNA contain nitrogen base, adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. This is a difference on the basis of nitrogen base in between DNA and RNA. And ribose sugar present in RNA, phosphate group same. So in between adenine and uracil, double bond hydrogen bond form, and in between guanine and cytosine, triple hydrogen bond form. Now nucleotide की, if we talk about nucleotide, nucleotide, this is adenine, roughly structure means I know this just a representation, and it bond with sugar, deoxyribose sugar. Okay, now this structure adenine and sugar called side, nucleoside. But when phosphate group is added in this, then this structure is called tight. This is the difference in between this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, then please subscribe.